You say you're in the university?
Yes.
What course do you learn? Are you learning?
Pharmaceutical science.
You see, young girls, I said it before. If you have idea to help your family, your parents, try to use it to help them. Young girl, street girl like you. If your dad call you, they'll come and help. Oh, dad, please, I'm busy. I'm going to a party. My friends is going to a party. I have to follow them. But you didn't say that. You following your dad. Julie Juu, a chef for any tea for Julie Juu TV na okoso ehwe no. May you say Julie Juu TV, Obama businesses. I mean business. Ye nuanom a omo ato omo bo ase abue business. O frɛ Julie Juu TV a. Ye beba ba betwa yi won Julie Juu TV ne so. Ye mfa ho. So we Ghana ni, we Nigeria, we Cameroon. Ye neighbors, obi a obefrɛ yen bia. Ye hia ne say wo business a. Business ne match yen. Ye beba ba betwa. Sabre, ye wo ye nua ba ma bi. Ah, wo bie printing press. Wo ye Nigeria ni. Na mo ne back girl ene wa ha sei. Enti ye ne nua ba na ba bedi nkomo. Ye ne betwetwe nkomo emu odene. Ye di aba Julie Juu TV ne so. Ai, muntame ne kuchu na monhwe me. Na munim. Ye be kabrofo. Enti muntame ne kuchu. Ye ba. Hello, my sweetheart.
Hi, hello.
Welcome to Julie Juu TV.
Thank you, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Mida Day.
Mida Day.
Yes.
Where do you come from originally?
From Nigeria.
Oh, okay. So, where is your dad? This business is for your daddy, isn't it?
It's for my dad.
It's for your dad.
Yes.
How long is your dad started doing this business?
Well, we started for almost like 5 years now, but we just came to this place. This is a new place. We came here 2 years ago. 3 years ago.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what type of job do you do here?
Anything printing. We do stickers, we do photo pictures, we do t-shirts, photo albums, we do books, anything you name it, mugs, anything.
Anything. Can you please, if you have a sample, to show me that anything, because you mention it.
Yeah.
So if somebody want to have something to do, maybe he don't know anything. So do you have a sample to show to me?
Yeah, sure.
Then Julie Juu TV viewers can see that, oh, this man do this, she does this. So if we want some, they can come here to you, so that you can print it for them.
Yeah, we just finished doing this jersey for a customer. So it's a DTF, so you can wash it as much as you like and it won't come off. This is the one for a team.
Okay, for a team.
Yeah.
So which one do you did this one or this one?
Everything. We did it. We did almost like 100 for the team. This is just one that was left for them to collect. And
for a team?
For a team.
Football team?
Basketball.
Basketball. Mamma mia. That's nice.
A basketball team, yeah.
Okay.
And we also do like hats, baseball hats as well. Any designs.
Hat. So, for example, this one, the person who did this, he brought you the design.
Yeah, he can bring the design for us, and we can also design it for him.
So this one, you did it. Your company did the design for the person, or he brought it?
He brought the design, then we printed it on the baseball cap for him as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And another one? T-shirt? Or?
Yeah, we do this one as well. This one is also DTF. So it's for a customer who's starting his clothing line. So like a business for himself. So we're also helping him, supporting him with his business. So we can do stickers as well. We can do business cards, flyers, so much.
Oh, In fact, I want to do a Julie Juu TV
Well, you came to the right
t-shirt.
place. You came to the right place.
Yeah, I want to do Julie Juu TV t-shirt a lot.
Sure.
Oh, you can do it,
You can come, anytime. We'll do it for you.
All right. Program na I have heard muya. My way. Program na I have heard muya. Bumu. Bumu. Program na I have heard muya. Bumu. Bumu. Program na I have heard other conquer. Program na I have heard muya. Keep watching Julie Juu TV and subscribe Julie Juu TV. So what do you say this one also?
So this is a Zobo drink. It's a very popular drink in Africa.
Okay.
So she started the business and she came to us that she needed help. That she doesn't know where to start from.
Okay.
So we gave her like ideas as well on what she can do. So we said, okay, we're gonna help you with the business cards, with the flyers, and now we just did some stickers for her.
All right.
So this is almost like, this is 300 we've done for her so far. But like the 300 we did before, she finished it. Because a lot of people, we've been helping her promote her business so many places.
Okay.
So you can come to us and we can do anything. Like Instagram photo shoots. We do photo shoots as well. As for your business, we can take pictures of your product and help you with it. So yeah, this is the stickers we did for our products.
You know, your dad told me something.
Yeah.
Your dad said, you behind the company, you are the one brought ideas for him. So I want you to tell me more about the ideas you give it to your dad, so that you're a type of your age. Also, if they have that idea, they can help their parents.
Yeah.
Can you? Yeah. I want to hear more from you.
Well, it's a long story.
Yeah, I want you to tell me, darling.
So when I was in secondary school, my dad was already like obsessed with printers. Like he knows everything about printers, about computers. So one day he just said, oh, I've gotten a shop. I want to do something that involves printers. I was like, okay, then we can start doing printing stuff. Instead of selling printers, print stuff, help small businesses to grow. Then we're also deciding like what type of name we can call the business to. So I was thinking, like a bird. We can think of a bird. So we thought of like an eagle, because it's a very strong eagle, powerful.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, we'll figure out like a Greek name for it. So we called it, and the Greek name was Atos.
Okay.
So my dad was like, okay, what about if we call it A to Z?
Ooh,
So it's
nice
similar
one.
to like a Greek name for an eagle, and A to Z. So basically we can do anything from A to Z for the customers. That's how we started the business.
Okay, so when you help your dad to start this business,
Yeah.
so far, I want you to tell me how the business growing.
It's doing well. Before it was really hard. We struggled a lot, like trying to advertise to customers. Sometimes so much trouble we've been to, but we learned throughout, like on that journey, we learned more, and now we're doing okay now, better than before.
Okay, so now people come for photo shoots and printing. People come.
People come.
And the price is low? Or it's normal in the market?
It's normal in the market. It's similar.
Keep watching Julie Juu TV. Keep watching Julie Juu TV.
Telephone number. I want you to, when you do some interview like that, you have to tell us your telephone number, so that if somebody want to come and see you here, the person can call and come. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I want you to give the business, the company number, so that people can call. Either you pick it, your dad. So far as you under the business, you are the business, you are the pillar, isn't it? Your dad told me. Your dad told me that you are the pillar.
Well, I support him in as much as I can. I support him because now that I'm in university, so I still need to focus on that. But whenever he needs help, my free time usually come to the shop to help him, because like now we're getting like big orders from companies, from small businesses. They need our help,
Wow.
So every time, like maybe weekends, I just come, holidays, I just come to help and support him.
Well done. You see, girls, Try to help your parents. You should stop going club, parties. Why? It's true. Some people, instead of to help their family, parents, they're always going to club. Like you, young girl, sweet girl like you. If your dad call you, they'll come and help. Oh, dad, please, I'm busy. I'm going to a party. My friends is going to a party. I have to follow them. But you didn't say that. You're following your dad, you know. You're helping him. So that is good. So I want young girls like you, they have some ideas to help their family. They have to prove it out, to show.
Even what I noticed before, when I was helping my dad, that thought usually comes that I can be going out with friends in the night, I can go to clubs. But now that I'm like in uni, I now notice that, I've gained a lot of skills from this. I can create my own business if I want to. I have connections from people as well. And my dad is able to support me as well. So, yeah.
So if your dad told me that you are the business idea, he's right. He's right,
we did it together. We did it together.
Oh, well done. You well done. Can you tell us the number?
Yeah, so you call 07828749174, and you can just call and be, I want to do this, and we'll do it for you. But the best place, the best way to get us is through an email. So you just tell us whatever, you just type in whatever you need, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours.
Okay. I would let you tell us your address, but let me ask you this one first. If somebody just pop in, that, for example, I have a lot of this t-shirt. I want you to print it for me. I have some orders. I have some banners. You do banners, isn't it?
Yeah, we do banners.
Okay.
Birthday banners, anything.
Birthday banners. I have some banners. I want you to do it for me.
Yeah.
Just pop in. Do you need telephone call or appointment or whatever, or you do it straight for the person?
No, we don't do it straight away. Usually we tell them that you need to give us like 2-3 weeks. If it's like a bulk, like you want 200 t-shirts, you just give us 2-3 weeks for us to sort it out. Then you leave like a 50% deposit as well for us to start. And the best place, like I said, the best place for you to get us is by emailing us.
Okay, tell us your email. That email, the email address.
Yeah.
Tell us so that if somebody want to email you, you know your email address. Tell us.
Course. So the email is aetosltd@gmail.com. aetoseltd@gmail.com.
Okay, so if that person email, it's easy for you to answer the person and take the job.
It's easy.
Okay, the question I asked you, you told me, but I just need something little bit from it before that question will be answered.
Watching Julie Juu TV. Keep watching Julie Juu TV.
I asked you that when somebody pop in to give you some orders, will you do it at once or later, or you tell the person to go and call you or email you to book appointment before you do? And you give me answer that no, 3 weeks time, isn't it? 2-3 weeks time.
For us to, we have to discuss at like when everything will be completed.
You're right, but what I want to hear is that, okay, if somebody pop in, we will discuss from that person and take the order at once. Then you give that person day or days to go and come and collect it, isn't it?
Yeah, and we still talk to them during the process as well. Like if they like what we're doing, we'll do like a sample for them. So we'll just be discussing throughout that 2 weeks.
You are so intelligent woman. What do you learn in the second? You say you're in the university.
Yes.
What course do you learn? Are you learning?
Pharmaceutical science.
Hey, so you be a pharmacist or?
Yeah, I'll be working in the industry, making drugs and stuff.
Okay, that is fantastic.
Thank you.
How old were you the time you started helping your dad? How old were you?
I think I was, as soon as I entered secondary school, that's when, so I was I would say 15. When I was 15, 14 years old. 14.
Then you have that ideas to help your dad.
Yeah.
You are so great. You see, young girls, I said it before. If you have idea to help your family, your parents, try to use it to help them. It will help you. Because this company is for her dad, but still, it's for her. Because if your dad opened the company, it's for you. Do you know that? So if you help your dad or your mom or whatever to open the company belongs to you. Okay, you mentioned your email address, your telephone number.
Yes.
I want your address. If somebody wants to come here, drive to come here. Because somebody don't know, not everybody can send you the email. Some people don't want to call. They don't like telephone call.
Yeah.
But if they know the address, they can drive straight to your place to give you the order. So I want you to tell us your address. So if somebody wants to drive and come here and give you the order, that person can come and give it to you and go. So tell us your address.
So the address of the shop is Unit 2, Oxford Street, Bletchley, MK2 2UA. And that's
Say it again. Repeat.
Unit 2, Oxford Street, Bletchley, MK2 2UA.
Well done. Program I have heard my way. Program I have heard boom boom. Program I have heard boom boom. Program I have heard other conquer. Program I have heard. Keep watching Julie Juu TV and subscribe Julie Juu TV. Hello, thank your customers, your friends, say hello to your teacher. Anyway, let's go.
Okay. I just want to say hello to my friends, my families, for supporting us for supporting us greatly. I want to thank my customers, my dad, our customers, for helping us. Like, we started from scratch. We didn't even know what we were doing, but still, you still stayed with us. You were like, I don't know how much to thank you. So thank you so much. And I want to thank Julie Juu TV as well for helping us to promote our business. And I hope you stay with them because they're helping a lot of Black African businesses to grow. They're promoting them as well. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Tell them to subscribe.
Okay, subscribe, like, and follow.
Well done, well done, well done, well done. All right. Keep watching Julie Juu TV. Ehani edimbesi. Say ya nkwa ebeji eni so. Anuma ocha fafa akwa ojebuo. Ya nkwa ebeji eni so. Enti ye daye nua baase. We thank you, Julie Juu viewers. They thank you, yeah. Ye da munyina ase, so motena ase. Ne munya abotre ehwe Julie Juu TV. Yes, me say repeat you. Yes, we share Julie Juu TV ayedey. But modern so be subscribe to your channel no. Now what like it? What like you are? Share. Ema obi enye binye na wamma comment wo yesa ye dey ema ye more vim ema ye mora na busi ye immune system no ama abrani nyina ye nya hoden ye program for abro ye da mo ase bebe. Thank you very much. See ya.
See you.